We are on the way to Kuta Melaka Waterfalls. It's like about 30-35 kilometers from main Medan city. We are almost close to the mountains, another 7 kilometers to the waterfall. Same like many places, our last stretch is a very kacha road. Road is pretty bad and there's nobody. Not a single soul on top of the mountain, and this is where it leads to the waterfall. About a 5-kilometer very rough road, motorbike driving, and then about like 500 stairs down. We have to climb it up now, and there's not a soul starting from the 5-kilometer rough road. There is some more stairs going further up, but there's a fallen tree, and again I'm not too sure how much more of a view I'm going to get. Look at the road. Yeah, I'm sure they could do something about this. The landscape around is so beautiful. Just the accessibility is so bad.